Good morning, Students, we have completed one mark questions of chapter 5, right? Challenges for succinist and restoration of the Congress systems, right? Now, today we will do the 2 mark questions, right? So, the first question is assess the role of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad toward maintaining community harmony in India. Here is the following points assess the role of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad towards maintaining communal harmony in India. The student, as you know, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was first Muslim ministers, right, after the independence. Though, so his role is he was a strong supporter of Hindu-Muslim unity. He opposed the partition of country. So here is 2 points of the communal harmony of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. So, right now the question number 2: who signed the Tashkent Agreement and when? I have the Tashkent. Where is the first to understand is where Tashkent is situated in Russia, right? At that time it is the part of USSR, right? The Tashkent Agreement was signed between Lal Bahadur Shastri and Maulana Muhammad Ayub Khan's the then President of Pakistan in 1966, because the war fought between India and Pakistan in 1965. Now, question number 3: who was the main? What was the main reason behind the split in Congress in 1969? The students, here are the following reasons. First reason is the factional rivalries between the syndicate and Indira Gandhi. Syndicate means the powerful leader within Congress party systems, right? And second was abolition of privy pursuit. So we will understand later it, right? And now the question number 4: what was Ayaram Gayaram stand for Indian politics? The students, it is happening after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It described the practice of frequently changing loyalty alignment by the legislatures, right? Now question number 5: which constitutional procedure was adopted in India to abolish the privy pursuit in 1971? The students, the privy pursuit was abolished under 26th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971. Now then question number 6: what is mean Grand Alliance? The students, Grand Alliance was group of non-Congress, non-communist, non-Congress opposition parties formed in 1917 elections against Indira Gandhi. Now student, question number 7: list any 2 challenges faced by India during Lal Bahadur Shastri's government. The students, the 2 challenges faced by Indira Gandhi were failed monsoon, drought, serious food crisis, a war with Pakistan in 19 India. The 2 challenges faced by India. The first, monsoon problem, drought, serious food crisis means we can say that natural disaster problem. And second is war with Pakistan in 1965. Now students, question number 8: mention any 2 problems which were faced by government of Indira Gandhi during 1969-71, right? What are the problems? The 2 problems. The first is rivalry between syndicate and Indira Gandhi arose in 1969 when presidential candidate was to elected after the death of President Zakir Hussain, right? Second, various non-Congress party came together to form joint legislatures. Hope a student you understand it. There are 2 mark questions we have already finished, right? These are the 8 questions of chapter 5. Hope you understand it. Thanks for watching.